Call me crazy, but I would gladly give up my stable life in Germany just to have a chance in the US again. A lot of people already have and will judge me for this, but I still have absolutely zero shame in admitting that if I get an opportunity to work in the US tomorrow, I will instantly pack up all of my bags and move back there. Here's the thing about Germany. You will never be poor, but you'll also never be rich. You will be simply average. Always and forever, happily ever after. But no, do not forget I am Indian. If you've grown up in a Desi family, तुम्हें तो पता ही होगा कि being third or second also does not count. Only being the first and the best counts. So respectfully, I am allergic to the word average. Yes, Germany will keep you stable and grounded. वो तो बल्कि पूरी धरती तुमको ऐसे सजा के देगा. But darling, मेरे पापा तो एयरफोर्स में फाइटर पायलट थे. मेरी तो बचपन से ही नजर आसमान की ओर रही है. And I wasn't born to walk. I was born to fly. Business class. But anyways, 3 days ago, I was on call with this Indian woman. She's a founder and she's also an author. She's written 3 books, one of them being about the USA immigration system. So she basically knows everything. And while we were talking, we also discussed my story, what happened with me, my background, my education, my desire to be back in the US, and everything that I plan to do with my life. And you know what she said? You sound like you belong in the Bay Area. And you know what? She's right. It's true. I do belong in the Bay Area. I do belong with the big dreamers. I belong with the open minds. I belong with the sharks. Even though I'm a dolphin, but I belong with the sharks. Not in the European countryside, drinking beer, eating bread, telling myself that this is the superior way of life. Hell no. Within minutes in the same call, that woman connected me to a community of people and lawyers who have navigated similar journeys, and they were all willing to help. This is exactly what I miss about the US so much. Not the visa, not the stress, not the cheeseburgers, not the paperwork, but this, the network, the power of a network. I cannot tell you, I felt more alive after that 30-minute call than I have felt in the 6 months of living in Germany. On the contrary, the life in Germany has been burning me out in a way that I cannot explain. Don't get me wrong, Germany is a very beautiful country and it's a great place to live if you value stability and security. But for a person who's ambitious and a dreamer, it's a punishment. Here is where it gets super messy and stressful for me. My boyfriend was ready to leave his life in the US by the end of this year and come move to Germany with me. And I genuinely also want that because I want us to experience the European life together. I want to travel with him and हो सकता है उसके आने के बाद मुझे ये जगह पसंद आने लग जाए. And I think उसको ये जगह मुझसे ज्यादा definitely पसंद आएगी. उसको तो जर्मन बोलनी भी आती है. भैया ये दिक्कत हो गई अगर वो यहाँ आ गया सब छोड़ छाड़ के. मेरे को फिर भी लगा कि नहीं भैया मुझको तो US ही जाना है तो भाई पोपट. Basically I'm sitting in the lap of uncertainty again and I don't know what to do with my life.